Hey guys, SD here one more time. Let's see if you can listen to something here when I'm adjusting the pot here. I just restarted it and she's only wanting to get about not even, it's right at 400 milliamps, but let's see if you can hear this here when I'm adjusting this pot. That's the noise it's making when adjusting the pot up and down. It'll kind of sit like this for a while, and then eventually, I don't know what's going on, but then it'll kick in and jump up to a faster speed if I play around with the pot. So I'm going to try switching out this pot and see if that does anything for it. Alright, we'll see y'all later.